Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and today's episode we are going to see few more questions under the episode revision of 3 marks questions. Friend, this is the part 7 and previously we have uploaded 6 parts and the links of all these 6 parts are provided in the description box. You can go through all the episodes so that you will get an idea that which type of questions will be asked for 3 marks and how to deal with such questions. Friends, I also request you to download the PDF file from the description box where the links of the revision type videos are given and you can watch all the revision videos. Now let us see the first question of today's episode. Friends, here is the question that find the positive value or values of k for which the quadratic equation x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 both will have the real roots. Friends, we know that the condition for real roots is that b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. If this b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, is greater than or equal to 0, then the quadratic equations will have real roots. So for first equation, we will take first equation for x square plus kx plus 64 which is equal to 0. Here this will be the b square minus 4ac will be what? B square is k square minus 4 into a is a coefficient of x square, that is 1, plus multiplied by c, that is the constant term, so it will be 64, that should be greater than or equal to 0. So here friends, k square minus 4 into 64, that is 256, so it is k square minus 256 is greater than or equal to 0. Now take 256 to other side, so it will be k square should be greater than or equal to 256, and therefore taking square root of both the sides you will get k should be greater than or equal to plus minus 16. So here first we get as k should be greater than or equal to plus minus 16, then only this equation will have the real roots. But we have to find the value of k such that after putting that value of k in both the equations you will get the real roots. So for second equation we will apply the condition and find k. So for another equation, the another equation is that x square minus 8x plus k, that is equal to 0, and therefore b square, that is minus 8 square, that will be 8 at the 64, minus 4 into a is a coefficient of x square, that is 1, into c is a constant term, that is equal to k should be greater than or equal to 0. So here we will get this as 64 minus 4k, 64 minus 4k, that is greater than or equal to 0. So take 4k to the other side and so you will get it as 64 is greater than or equal to 4k. Correct? So it will be 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, and therefore k 16 is greater than or equal to k. It means k is less than or equal to 16. So this is the second condition we have got. Now if k is greater than 16, this particular equation will have real roots. But if k is less than 16, then this particular equation will have real roots. But for k is equal to 16 and k is equal to 16, both the equation will have real roots, and therefore in this case k should be equal to 16, then the both equations will have real roots. Now friends, move to the next question. here is the next question, that if the point C minus 1 comma 2 divides the line segment joining the points A whose coordinates are 2 and 5 and B whose coordinates are x and y in the ratio 3:4, find the value of x square plus y square. Friends, it is given that point C, suppose this is point C, whose coordinates are point C, whose coordinates are minus 1 and 2, divides the line segment AB, whose coordinates are 2, 5 and B whose coordinates are x and y, and this point divides this line segment in the ratio 3:4, and we have to find the values of x and y, and then we have to find x square plus y square. So first we will find the x coordinate. So we know that the formula that x is equal to, x means this is the x and this is the y. So x is equal to m1 x1 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. That gives the x coordinate of this point which divides the line segment into two parts. So here we will put the value. Here x is what? Minus 1, which is equal to m1 x2, that is 3 into x, that is 3x, plus m2 x1, that is m2 is 2 into x1 is 2, so m2 x1 m2 is 4 into 2, that is 8. So 3x plus 8 upon m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Now solve this. So 7 into minus 1 will be minus 7, which is equal to 3x plus 8. Now take 8 to other side, so that will be minus 8. So minus 7 minus 8, that will be minus 15. So 3x, which is equal to minus 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, and therefore x is equal to minus 5. So you have got the x coordinate as minus 5. Highlight this first important step. Now we will find y. So y, that is equal to, this is y, and you have to find y coordinate. So the same way it will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So which is equal to m1 y2, that is 3 into y, that is 3y, plus, so this is m2 y1, so it will be 4 into 5, that is 4 5s are 20, so 3y plus 20 upon m1 plus m2, that is 7, and this y is 2. So 7 2s are 14, 14 is equal to 3y plus 20. Take 20 to this side, so it will be minus 20. 14 minus 20, that will be minus 6, and so which is equal to 3y. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and therefore y is equal to minus 2. You have got the y coordinate as minus 2, but we have to find the values of x square plus y square, and therefore x square plus y square, that is equal to, x square is minus 5 square, that will be 25, plus y square, that is minus 2 square, that will be 4, and so x square plus y square is equal to 29. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is from probability. A child has a block in a shape of a cube with one letter or a number written on each face shown below. 2, 3, 5, 7, A and B. Find the probability of getting an alphabet find the probability of getting a prime number, and find the probability of getting a constant consonant. Now a child has a block in the shape of a cube, and on that cube, on each face, either the number is written or a letter is written, and that numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and the letters written are A and B, and we have to find the probability of getting a alphabet. So the probability of getting alphabet, so total outcome, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total outcome, that will be equal to 6. But the favorable outcome will be what? Only alphabets will be the favorable outcome. So A and B will be the favorable outcomes. So the total favorable outcome will be 2, and therefore the probability of getting the alphabet, that is equal to favorable outcome divided by the total outcome, that is 2 upon 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now the second probability, that find the probability of getting a prime number. Of course, here once again the total outcome will be equal to 6. Correct? This is the first question. This is the second one. So prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. So here out of these 6, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the numbers, and all these numbers are prime numbers, and therefore the favorable outcome, that will be equal to 4, and so the probability of getting a prime number, that is equal to favorable outcome divided by the total outcome. So it will be 4 by 6, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so which is equal to 2 upon 3. Now we have to find the third one, that is the probability of getting a consonant. So third one, so total outcome once again here will be 6, because there are the 6 numbers and alphabets total, and consonant A and B, these are the 2 alphabets are there. Out of that, A is a vowel and B is a consonant, therefore only one alphabet is favorable. So out of the 6 we have one favorable, so the favorable outcome, that is equal to 1, and so the probability of getting a consonant, that is equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome, that is 1 by 6. Friends, today we will stop here, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.